Tag requesting resupply. Tank hatch.
Tank hatch is printed.
Convoy requesting the SP from the DSA. Over.
Request granted at 1000 hours. Over.
Convoy at this time, transition from man to unmanned and execute. Over.
Convoy SPing from the DSA. Time 1000. Over. Convoy passing phase line Alpha. Convoy passing phase line Bravo.
EMAV is out.
Convoy arriving at LRP-1.
EMAV en route to LRP-1. Tank hatch transferred to the EMAV.
Convoy departing LRP-1.
EMAV en route with tank hatch to disabled vehicle. The EMAV has arrived.
Second DTAC requesting ammo resupply for the ERCA. Over. Convoys arrived at LRP-2.
This time, halt operations and drop the flat rack for the resupply. Over.
The ERCA has received ammunition. ERCA requesting a ERCA movement. Over.
The ERCA has been reloaded.
Convoy at this time, disengage VST and execute unmanned back to DSA. Over.
Convoys return to the DSA. Digital logbook data collected.